What we doing today, Mr. Marlboro Man?
On today's episode, it's stuck to my nose or something.
Yeah, you got dog hair on your nose. It's still hanging there.
Stop.
It's still hanging.
Is it? It's really there. It might be right there. I need to shave my face.
Well, head in it, Bailey. What's got you?
You know what we're doing? I did get old. That's all I know. I got old transmission fluid right there. That's what I got. I don't know what we doing. I just know she needs some juice in her.
Still got to put the distributor in it, wire it up. Headers.
Yeah, still got some stuff. All the wires.
We got headers to do. You still changing exhaust?
We changing the exhaust.
You gonna run it down the side? Corvette style?
We ain't running it down the side. We gotta get his fab shop together on the other side. So.
Alright, we over here at Ed's Fab Shop now. On the other side of the garage, in the Fab Shop area.
Yeah. On the other side of the garage. He said that like we went somewhere. Yeah.
What's your plan? You ain't gonna run them down the side?
Go under the truck like you see.
Tuck it up under.
You didn't like your own idea, did you? You keep avoiding it. You like, man, it's a lot.
Nah, it ain't a lot. I just like the teardrop things.
Play a rock and roll song when this shit runs up to when the birds come out and flying in the foreign light. You just get tired. Yeah. Oh shit. Ball in the ballroom blitz, ballroom blitz. And then motherfuckers be like, whoa!
Well, we're gonna keep them. We're gonna put them out right there.
So like you got it planned out there.
What you think?
We can.
Teardrop down to this?
And then cut us a stainless ring to put around with some bolts to it. Yeah. We can do it here at Ed's Fab Shop.
Here at Ed's Fab Shop. What are we gonna do? We're gonna put some pipes on this baby. I already bought exhaust a long time ago.
Yeah, some of them probably watched that video.
I didn't think that we was ever gonna use it like this, but we need to.
Yeah, you bought the exhaust originally to run down the side, but then you didn't like it.
Yeah.
Remember I held it up, you said it looked like a Corvette.
Yeah. It looked like we're trying to put Corvette pipes on, side pipes.
Side pipes.
Might as well put some of the mesh on there, call it a cruiser.
It's not a cruiser.
Nah, this is cruiser stuff.
Alright, see, this is what we got. We got the cab mount right here, so we gotta go under that. And this is gonna be hanging way down. Unless we pie cut it and go in there.
But it's still gonna be down right here. Yeah, it was all hanging down. It just wasn't right. That did not look right. Any kind of way. That just messed the whole old S10 up.
I forgot about your cross member. You gotta just go up and down.
Yeah. One gotta go over it, one gotta go under it. Man, that transmission's pretty right there. We don't need to put no fluid in that shit so it can leak out. We leave that model car style.
This is what we went through last time. That's why you said just cut them off right there.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm happy over that. I am that. I like that. Get to the little mufflers and all that. That right there is hot. Good shit. Ridiculous. I guess I don't want to spend no money on trying to put some pipes on it. I'm trying to put pipe on it. Now I got to spend thousands more dollars. Transmission, brakes, and this and that. Hey, shit. Just put some tips on that shit. Let's go with it. I was ready to race it a long time ago. I ain't racing no more. Let's go get the pipe. Just gonna build a model truck. There's Eddie. Hey Eddie. How's it hanging over there?
Is that your muffler?
Yeah. That's one.
Is it gonna muffle shit?
Probably not. Don't look like it does.
Oh shit.
You can't keep handing me all this shit. What do you want me to do? We need a cameraman. Water. Raise that baby up right there. I'm both into it. Be the one and all. See that S10? Oh shit, man, that'd be funny. Who you think? Yeah, really.
It's your truck, bro. This is your truck. What do you think?
That's badass right there. Shit. Hell yeah.
For real?
What? You don't think so? That ain't your style, is it?
Yeah, it ain't my truck. Yeah, if that's what you want to do. I guess we'll jack it up and look under there.
It's a pretty model truck, though.
Look at the spider webs.
Mm-hmm.
Already?
That's what you gotta do to
It's
models.
only been a week.
You gotta dust them things. We're gonna bring this 5-inch fence post up in here. Yeah, that's what it sounds like, ain't it?
Yeah, your size will be a problem. This one ain't.
Yeah, that's a problem.
Yeah,
We got a problem, yo.
that's what I figured.
That ain't working.
It would work on this side. You need a new cross member, or we got to build one.
Alright, we're gonna have to do something else, nigga. Shit.
You have to run it down the side like that, like a Corvette. Either that or build a cross member. I got some square tubing down there. It's pretty thick. Might be able to double it up.
I mean, it'll work. I just didn't want to do that. Man, I'm tired of building shit for this truck. It's time for us to go fucking play in this thing. This thing done had enough building on it. We need some pipes on this shit. We done went around a bunch of stuff. We're gonna go around this some way. If we gotta put vet pipes on it, it's gonna have vet pipes on it. I can't deal with this pressure.
The only thing I know to do is build a cross member or Corvette pipe it, or run it with your little tips and just get you some Visine, get you some Benadryl or something.
Better put some plugs in those. Your eyes, you better have something for your eyes.
It's people update time!
People update time?
People update time!
We doing this, people. Taking this cab mount off, y'all. Right here.
You still ain't tell the people what the hell you doing.
I'm taking all that shit off.
Alright, that's what we doing, yo. I'm taking the shit off.
The rubber. Alright, so people update time. This is what we doing right now. We're taking this crap off.
They going to the car show.
If you seen a video, that's something we ain't doing.
What?
On the car show. If you see,
can.
watch the videos. This cab is actually welded, so it's welded to the frame and everything. This body mount is getting cut out somewhat. It's still gonna have somewhat of one. But we cutting it out because we putting exhaust on it. So we gotta cut this out.
We running his Corvette pipes, y'all.
I'm gonna put my Corvette pipes on there.
You gonna run it down the side? Corvette style?
We ain't running it down the side.
Alright, this is what we doing, y'all. We ain't even got one side halfway done.
This piece is gonna put us right on point.
Is
You gonna think good? You even said to people now. Here, look.
Here, see
Don't
what we
do
got.
that.
Still good? Yeah, check that on there. And the fun thing's gonna be mimicking it on the other side.
Or is it gonna be the same though?
Yeah, that's the thing.
The other side.
Shit gonna be crazy, ain't it?
Yeah, it should ain't never the same.
Did I show y'all what all we done under here? I don't know if I did or not.
You did?
Look at this body mount what's left of it. We got it welded to the truck with the roll cage too, so we got it hacked out of there. Man, that thing is hacked. Shit dropped right on my face. Damn, I just ate that. I just ate this off.
Oh, if everybody could see your face. You turned your lips and everything. Oh, golly, it just on my head, shit. Man, got me drooling, crying and everything. Oh, been crying and drooling. Whoo! That was the funniest thing, man. I looked over you through. Oh, shit.
Does it look good?
Did you fart? Golly! Whoa! That was brutal. Whew. Whew. Ain't no wonder I got allergies.
What's that? That's an eagle. That's a bald eagle, ain't it? That's an American bald eagle. When you're out here working on a Chevrolet, the eagles show up and root you on.
This is a crow. I told you we was meant for this shit. Is that where it needs to be?
I think so.
We off a little bit. Right there, I can make that happen.
I don't really know what comes next. I'm just doing my best, even though I'm so stressed out. Everything just feels like a test that I fail, so depressed when I can't seem to get out. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Fuck your lies, I'll do what I want.
What's the word, Marlboro man?
I know. Like,
We built a muffler, exhaust.
We built the muffler.
Ask the people what they think. What should we do? Should we run that?
This is what we got. It's past the cab with a muffler on it.
Show them the muffler. Do you like the muffler? Should we do something else different?
What do you think? I say roll with it. Oh. But anyways.
You said, oh, you look down at the beach.
Yeah, I forgot there's all. I was gonna tell them we're gonna work on this other side real quick. It'll probably be dark by the time we get that side tacked up. So here's a look at the daytime. What it looks like. I know the other side we ain't gonna get done in time. It's gonna be a 3-part video.
I'm inspired by thirst, I'm inspired by worth. I desire your worst, so you can just hide while I work. I ain't tired, you first. I'll write a second, third verse about the lies you go disperse. You never did shit, I know it hurts. Something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Fuck your lies, I'll do what I want.
People on that head! Alright, cigarette man, Marlboro man.
Alright, we on the other side. We're on the other side with the exhaust. And it's different.
Different side.
Yeah. So we gotta cut this header, y'all. Ain't that something, y'all?
You gotta cut the header.
Chopping shit up. Yeah. Cut the header. It's down too far. It's hanging down. We gotta shorten it up. Get it on one up in there.
I say we just cut above that wheel line. Ugh. Nasty little Jew. This is my job. I can't believe this. Double teaming cigarettes and farts. This is a different side, bro. We just gonna have to improvise and do stuff.
That's what we do.
Fabricating.
That's what we doing.
We need to dimple that too.
Like a square.
We gonna have to repaint these headers.
Dimple that. We gotta repaint this header. So, you know, just every weekend, $100 paint old.
We out here in the dark, putting some Corvette mufflers on.
There it is. They both tacked on. That was a lot of work. It was all day.
All day. At least the hard work's done. Next weekend be an easy weekend. Won't it?
No.
Does it look crazy? Yeah, that looks alright. Come on. Corvette pipes on it.
It does. That shit look just like Corvette pipes, man. Oh, yeah. Look at it. What do you think, Ed? You ain't saying much. You just looking and laughing.
Oh, shit. Oh. Looks good, bro. Looks good. All right. Let's clean up. All right, y'all. That's it for this one. We done. We done.
Yeah, like and subscribe. And thumbs up.
Hit the dinger.
Hit the dinger. You gotta hit the dinger bell, subscribe, and all that stuff. Tell us what you think about these Corvette pipes over here. Yeah, give us your thought. We don't even care what you say. It could be bad or good. It looks like shit, say it looks like shit.
Alright, that's it for this one. Till next time. See you.
See you.